Hey guys, ScooterATVsales.com at Scooter City, Reno ATV Wholesale Outlet. This week we have on sale the Tao DB14 Kids Beginner Dirt Bike. This is a great way to get your kids started on riding on two wheels. This is a beginner's kids dirt bike or youth dirt bike. It has a 28-inch seat height. It's 4-stroke with a kick start, semi-automatic, meaning there is no manual clutch. This is a great way to get your kids started on riding dirt bikes. Low investment, $7.95. Come down and check this puppy out. There's the shifter on the left side here, 4-speed, semi-auto, adjustable rear shock. Come down and check this out. We're at 920 Matley Lane, Suite 6. And the number here is 775-856-3398. See you guys soon.